Hi guys, my name is More Somnath Pandurun. Today's our topic is the uh, access modifiers and non-access modifiers in Java. And firstly, we will discuss the access modifiers in Java. As the same name suggests, the access modifiers in Java helps to the restrict the scope of the class and constructor, variable, method, or data members. There are four types of access modifiers available in Java. There are first one is the default, second one private, third one the protected, and the fourth one the public. And the first one is the default access modifier. When no access modifier is a specified class, method, or data members, it is said to be having the default access modifier by default. The data members class or methods which are not declared using the any access modifiers, that is having default access modifier, are accessible only within the same package. And second one is the private access modifier. The private access modifier is specified using the keyword is private. And the methods or data members declared as privately are accessible only within the class in which they are declared. Any other class of the same package will not be able to access these members. And the third one is the protected access modifier. The protected access modifier specified using the keyword is protected. The methods or data members declared as protected are accessible within the same name, same package, or subclass in different packages. And the fourth one is the public access modifier is the specified using the keyword public. And the public class, the public access modifier has the widest scope and the widest scope and widest scope among all access modifiers. And the classes, methods, or data members that are declared as accessible from anywhere, everywhere in the program. And the second one is the non-access modifiers in Java. The modifiers are the specific keywords present in Java using the first one and the second one is the non-access modifiers. Non-access modifiers provide the information about the characteristics of this class. Method or variable to the JVM. And there are 7 types of non-access modifiers. First one is the static, second one final, third one is the abstract, fourth one synchronized, fifth volatile, sixth transient, and the 7 is the native. And first is the static. The static keyword is means the entity to which applied is available outside any particular instance of the class. The memory is allocated to such an attribute or a method at the time class loading. And the use of the static modifier makes the program more efficient by the saving memory. Static. And the second one is the final. The final keyword indicates the scope of the specific class cannot be extended, or method cannot be overridden. And the third one is the access modifier. Third one is the abstract keyword. It is used to declare a class as a partially implemented means an object cannot be created directly from the class. Any subclass of the and the fourth one is the synchronized. Synchronized keyword prevents the block of code and executing by multiple threads at once. It is very important for some critical operations. And the fifth one is the fifth one is the fifth one is the abstract volatile. The volatile keyword is make the class thread set. It means the variable is declared as the volatile, then can be modified by multiple threads at the same time without any issue. And the sixth one is the synchronization transition. The needs the prior knowledge of serialization in Java. You can serialization in the transient keyword is the may be applied to the member variables of the class to indicate. And thank you.